Now to that devastating flooding we've been talking about in Texas, where we now know more than 160 people are still missing. Crews continue to look for them. As we learn, 110 people are now confirmed dead.
CBS's Naomi Ruckham is hearing from some families who are cleaning up and just grappling with what's going to come next for them.
So this is the water line here on the front door. So my stepdad was in here sleeping.
John Vineyard says his stepfather was rescued by firefighters as floodwaters rushed inside his Ingram, Texas home on July 4th. That was after his mother, Colleen Lucas, had hurried home from work to warn her husband about the catastrophic conditions, but was unable to reach him.
Grabbed a hold of the door, put one foot out, and the water was up to here.
Saved from the flood, the family must now put their lives and home back together again.
Don't even know where to start, where to begin. It's devastating.
A few miles away in Kerrville Tuesday, an emotional city council meeting.
I wish to God there was a way we could have warned them.
That's the question local officials continue to face in the aftermath of this tragedy, which has been blamed for more than 100 deaths.
All those questions will be answered, but the priority right now is bringing people home.
Search and rescue teams continue the grueling task of finding those who are still missing, including 5 children and a young counselor from Camp Mystic.
It happened so quickly that no one really had time.
Sisters Lily and Paige Kummerfeld evacuated the all-girls camp, but survival has taken an emotional toll.
I feel guilty that we were so safe and oblivious while they were living hell on earth.
The sisters say they owe their lives to the brave first responders whose work is far from over. Naomi Ruckham, CBS News.
Well, Texas Governor Greg Abbott says that state lawmakers will meet in the coming days to talk about how to address the deadly flooding, and President Trump is still expected to visit this week on Friday.